If you're looking for a peaceful, relaxing at sulit na staycation, try the El Royale multi-awarded, exclusive, and super worth it resort here in Mexico, Pampanga. The villas are very spacious, malinis at private. Perfect for couple, family, or barkada getaway. Hi, my friends! It's me again, Miss Chai, at napadayo nga ako sa El Royale, Mexico, Pampanga. Recharged with mountain view, Palayan breeze, and Mount Arayat. Sobrang laki ng pool, may jacuzzi at malinis kaya nag-enjoy ang mga kids. For those bringing car, no worries, malaki ang parking and pet-friendly. Malaki ang mga kwarto at fully air-conditioned. Kung gusto mong mag-relax or mag-photoshoot, sobrang aesthetic bawat corner. May free coffee plus strong wifi. Pwede ka rin mag-work at the same time mag-chill. Fresh air at tahimik ng place. Kung gusto nyo ng quiet private resort, this is perfect. At kung gusto nyo ng fun, meron din silang billiards, games room at syempre videoke. Perfect for bonding, relaxation, and good vibes the whole day and night. I'm sure mag-e-enjoy dito ang buong pamilya. Hindi mo na kailangan ng passport para maging masaya dahil malapit lang to sa Metro Manila. Pwede siya up to 10 packs and more. Kaya pwede mong dalhin ang buong angkan nyo. Perfect din to for celebration. Tag your best friend's buddy at ilalagay ko yung link nila sa comment section. Don't forget to spread the love and good vibes to God be the glory. Bye! And see you in my next vlog.